Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Afterpay API integration. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. Integrating the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can bring numerous benefits to your business. Firstly, let's discuss the key concepts. Afterpay API integration enables you to offer Afterpay as a payment option to your customers at checkout. This allows them to split their purchases into interest-free installments, making it more manageable for them to afford the products they want. One of the main reasons to use Afterpay API integration is to increase conversions. By offering Afterpay as a payment option, you can attract more customers who may have been hesitant to make a purchase due to the upfront cost. This is especially true for higher-priced items or for customers who are on a tight budget. Another benefit of Afterpay API integration is that it can help reduce cart abandonment rates. When customers see that they have the option to pay in installments, they are more likely to complete their purchase. This is because the upfront cost is no longer a barrier, and they can afford to pay for the product over time. In terms of practical examples, many e-commerce businesses have seen significant increases in sales and conversions after integrating the Afterpay API. For instance, a fashion retailer may see a 20% increase in sales after offering Afterpay as a payment option. This is because customers are more likely to purchase higher-priced items when they have the option to pay in installments. Best practices for implementing Afterpay API integration include ensuring that the payment option is clearly visible at checkout, and that customers are aware of the terms and conditions of using Afterpay. It's also important to test the integration thoroughly to ensure that it's working seamlessly with your e-commerce platform. In conclusion, integrating the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can bring numerous benefits to your business. It can increase conversions, reduce cart abandonment rates, and attract more customers to your site. By following best practices and ensuring a seamless integration, you can provide a better payment experience for your customers and drive more sales for your business.